Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Sketch for Mac and remove UI assets, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Sketch from your Mac, begin by closing the application if it is currently open. Locate the Sketch app in your Applications folder. You can find this by clicking on the Finder icon in your dock. In the Finder sidebar, click on Applications. Scroll through the list and find the Sketch app. Once located, click and drag the Sketch app icon to the trash. Alternatively, you can right-click on the Sketch app and select Move to Trash. Next, you need to remove associated files in UI app. Open a new Finder window and select Go from the top menu bar. From the drop-down menu, choose Go to Folder. In the dialog box, type in /library and press Enter. This will open the library folder, which contains hidden files. Look for the Application Support folder. Open Application Support and find the Sketch folder. Drag the Sketch folder to the trash. Next, return to the Library folder. Locate the Preferences folder within the library. Look for any files related to Sketch, typically named com.bohemiancoding.sketch*. Drag these files to the trash as well. If you wish to remove any Sketch plugins, navigate to the Containers subfolder within the library. Open the Containers folder and search for any folders related to Sketch plugins. Drag these folders to the trash as well. Now that you've removed Sketch and its associated files, empty the trash. To do this, right-click on the trash icon in your dock and select Empty Trash. This will permanently delete Sketch and its remaining UI. You have now successfully uninstalled Sketch and cleaned up its leftover files. If you plan to reinstall Sketch, you'll need to download a fresh copy from the official website. Always ensure your important files are backed up before uninstalling any software. Follow these steps carefully for a complete and effective uninstallation process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.